This four-door, six-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, a front bench seat, and leather upholstery. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.